Hello guys, welcome back to this brand new video. In this video, I'm gonna talk about chipa-ta. This is the 11th video of our tutorials on how to use chipa-ta. Right guys, I'm really happy about these upcoming tutorials because this is the period and update warm-up functions. Yes guys, you heard it correctly, yes. Now guys, as always, I talk about our services that you can just check here. I mean, you can just click on services, let go custom bot development and check our services. It's just the way we always do it. It's the way we do it. Okay guys, enough talking, enough bragging about it. Guys, just, here is the actual code that we're gonna be dealing with. As you can see, this is the starter code that we always deal with. I mean, just that you can see maybe a import.json that we normally don't do it, but yes, right guys. To get started, we're gonna do these functions. Okay, we're gonna start by doing RSI warmup, which is gonna be the variable we're gonna be dealing with. It's indicator.rsi, same thing but for ATR. Now guys, of course you can check this out. If you don't trust the process, you can see the terminal is gonna give us the output, giving us the output of the very nice thingy. Yes, I mean, it's probably expected, right guys? Okay guys, next up, we're just gonna check. I mean, it's just, cool thing to check. Yes, here guys, we're just gonna check with a search if the value is actually 14, which of course is gonna be because we haven't really changed anything. But yes guys, here we're gonna create a variable called historical, which is we're gonna for everything and create the candles, which then we're gonna put in a JSON, and then my guys, we're gonna put the RSI live indicator. It's gonna be indicator.rsi of period 14. I mean, nothing special, right guys? But here is where the special things arrive. We're gonna take the variable and put the dot period here, which then we can just check here. If you don't trust the process, we can just print everything here, and warm up RSI with 14 historical candles via, you know how it goes, right? No need to explain that. Now we can just print this statement. I mean, print this just to see, and you can see warmup 99.31. It's exactly what we wanted, and it's exactly the way it goes. But that's gonna be, guys, I mean, we can just verify if it's exactly the value we needed. Of course it's gonna be, and you can see cell 11 assertion passed. Yes guys, we did it, and that's the way you had to do it since the beginning. Anyways guys, thank you so much for watching this video. As always, you know how it goes. For cheap as worth, my name is Vigo Walker, and I see you in the next one.